So good.
Good morning all, Jake here back with another video. This is day 2. I don't know if you can tell, but I have a little bit of a cold. I don't feel super bad, I just kind of sound a little bit bad, and I took a COVID test. It's not COVID, so it's just another one of those strange little things. I got something else in. I came down this alley so that I could get away from the traffic noise. One big difference between China and Taiwan is you can really hear the scooters. What am I doing today? I am going for a walking tour. It starts in about an hour. Step 1, I need to go find a coffee. So let's do that. This is one of the voting centers. Today is the big day. I forgot to mention that in my intro. Taiwan votes. Yeah. 美式咖啡，
中杯大杯，
中杯，
冰的热的，
冰的，
冰的，无糖吗？
无糖。
中杯冰的无糖。冰块呢？
微冰
60，
谢谢。
中文是好。
Thank you. Always nice to get a compliment in the morning on my Chinese level. One of my favorite things about Taiwan so far. This is only 50 Taiwan dollars, which I'm pretty sure is $2.50. This would probably cost like $8 back home. I'm gonna make full use of this while I'm here. Yeah. Are you guys here for the walking tour?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's historic tour. May I know where you are from and what's your name?
I'm Jake. I'm Australian, but I'm currently studying in China. Yeah.
China?
Yeah.
Which part of
Xiamen.
Xiamen. Oh,
Yeah,
so it's really close.
It's really close, yeah.
So today's tour we will see some spots from Qing Dynasty to Japanese era. First stop is the Longshan Temple, which was built during the Qing Dynasty era. So follow me, let's go.
Banga Longshan Temple, one of the most popular temples in Taiwan, and it worships the god called Bodhisattva, goddess of mercy, built for a place of worship for the assembly of Han Chinese immigrants, and it now serves as a spiritual and religious center for the nation. Alright, so we're about to cross into the Longshan Temple. Guys have to step in with their left foot, and girls have to step in with their right foot. So the story behind why this is such a popular temple, apparently it was originally a not so popular temple, but then one day there was a lot of mosquitoes around, and this is during, I guess, the war with Japan. There's a lot of mosquitoes around, so everyone was like, oh, we can't pray today because we just can't be here because of all the mosquitoes. And then apparently the whole place got bombed except for the Buddha that is inside there. So people took that to mean that this is the genuine temple of the Buddha, and then its popularity increased from there. Pretty interesting kind of origin story for why Longshan Temple has become so popular. I think it's one of the top 2 most popular temples in all of Taiwan. So I managed to lose my tour group, but I looked up the itinerary for the trip, and it's this Bolipiao place that I went yesterday as the next stop. So, let's see if we can meet up with them. Find them again. It is a beautiful little street, this one. This is nice. I imagine this place comes alive at night.
Yeah, that's right. Square, you can see there are a lot of rainbow flags. So this is the highest density of gay bar in Taipei, and I think it's
Gay
a
bars?
good place. Gay bars,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
it's a good place to enjoy the outdoor bar, like sitting on the terrace. Because normally in Taiwan, you don't see that many outdoor terrace.
This is the Ximen Red House. The construction of it is pretty interesting. I think this was built Japanese occupation, and the architectural style is not Japanese. How they built it is in this kind of European architecture style. And this part of it, the head of it, is an octagon, which is symbolizing the Bagua, which is the yin and yang kind of part of Chinese culture. And then this part here is a long straight bit, and then comes out at each side, which is a cross. And so you've got both the Chinese religious symbol up at the head of it, and then the Christianity kind of religious symbol, the cross, at the base of it. Interesting. And now the standing begins until the next hour, when they will do it all again. Man, what a beautiful day. I've been walking around a lot, kind of tired, so I think I'm just gonna go back to the hostel and chill for a little bit. Okay, I had a nap, feeling a lot better, as usual. Man, my life has become vlogging and naps, vlogging and then naps. I've had my nap and now I'm vlogging again. Okay, I'm here at a place called Takumi Dumplings, and I've ordered the Chongqing spicy noodles. Very excited for this. We've got some peanuts, noodles, a lot of beef, and a lot of spicy sauce and spicy oil. Hell yeah. So good. Okay, I can hear something going on, so I've just turned down this big road. Sounds like someone's yelling into a microphone and beating drums. Let's go check it out, it could be fun. There's a lot of people there, there's a lot of cops. Jiayo. Jiayo, for those wondering, there's a way to say let's go or come on, but it literally means add oil. Like add oil to the fire. Okay, it seems I have found where all the voters have come out to support the DPP. There's a lot of people. It's like a veritable festival out here. Al Jazeera News. you saw it first on the Journey of Judge YouTube. Well, you're seeing it after the fact. But well, that was certainly a unique experience. Pretty fun to be a fly on the wall in Taiwan and Taipei at this time. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along for the ride. If you did, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.